To check your transaction history on Shopify, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform to find your transaction details easily. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and log in using your store credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access financial information. Step 2. Access the admin dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control center for managing your store. Step 3. Navigate to orders. On the left-hand side menu, click on Orders. This section contains all the orders placed in your store, including transaction details. Step 4. View order details. Select any order from the list of View details. Here, you can see the transaction history related to the specific order, including payment status and transaction ID. Step 5. Export transaction reports optional. If you need a comprehensive view of all transactions, you can export reports. Go to Analytics in the left menu, then select Reports and choose the relevant financial reports to download. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Shopify. Regularly reviewing this information can help you manage your store's finances effectively.